same way, still the same place that you create your regular CBT exam. So which you know you are going to log in as a teacher or as an admin. So you hover over towards online exam bracket CBT. You click on what? Online exam. It's going to show you up towards online exam list, all the whole exams that you have what created. So now to add exam, to add online exam, you click on what? Add online exam. So you're now going to name it, the name you want to name it, maybe say grade 1 2026 grade or entrance exam examination for grade 1 2026 2027. So this is the title of the exam. So now you are not going to touch these bulk grades. You are going to select entrance exam. You are going to select entrance exam, which you know that if you want to create normal exam, you can make it just 8 like this, or you can also create bulk grades to create multiple subjects per class and rest of them. But for entrance exam, you click on entrance exam. When you tick this, it's going to remove some things and it's going to add things that is related to entrance exam. So which school year are you setting up this entrance exam for? It's for 2026-2027. Remember 2026-2027. So now you click on this class that you want to create the entrance exam for. That is 20 grade 1. Which section? You select the 3 sections that are available. Select the sections that are available. That is irrespective of the section they selected while submitting their application, they're able to select, they're able to get the same exam. So now we have start date. When do you want this exam to start? So I'm going to put it on this date, 20th June 2026. Then we have when do you want the exam to end? The date, the same 20th, the same day. When do you want the exam to start? We want the exam to start 9 a.m. When do you want the exam to end? I want the exam to end 12 or 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. depending. How many minutes do you want the exam to last? You have just the normal way you play CBT exam. So you have this is 60 minutes. That's 0. As it is now, that is 59 minutes. So if you put this thing here, and if you put 1 here, it means 1 hour 59 minutes. But if you put 0 here and you put 15 here, it means when the exam to run for 15 minutes, or when the exam to run for 10 minutes. Remember, the first one is hour. This one is minutes. It's hour, minutes. So limit of participation is just once. That is how many times you want to send to them to write the exam if they have any issue and the rest of them. But if you're writing the exam in this school, you can enable 2 or 3 or 4 depending on in other stats if they have any challenges. Maybe say some of them did not complete the exam before submitting. All these kind of issues they can be able to write the exam immediately. Then the question, the type is going to 50 marks. The passing mark is 50. Then this is the instruction. Then free, randomized, random. Everything has been set. Result published. Don't set this automatically. If you set it automatically, it means that the students will automatically review your answers. So if you are going to make use of theory and essay writing, it's good to always put it on manual. But if it's just objective, I want the students to be able to view their scores and the rest of them. But it's not recommended. Then negative mark applicable. That is, if a question is 5 marks and a student scores it wrongly, the system will automatically what visual what recording while writing the exam, but for now it's not available. Mark display, that is each question is going to what display what the mark. Let me say this is a boy and you assign the question to what to be 5 marks. You send to you want the sent to be able to include what the mark weight per question, that is you enable this. So this is how you what you create what your entrance exam. Click on what save. And see exam created successfully. So you are going to see it here, entrance examination for grade 1, 2026, 2027. The school year is this. Ignore this, is not recorded because it's not needed. The questions and the rest of them. You can see here, the question is currently was entrance exam, and see it's entrance exam. Why normal exams are what regular. Normal exams are regular, why these ones are entrance or examination. So that's how you know what the one that is entrance exam or regular exam. So that's basically